The Wild West is a historical period in the USA that spans the time after the Civil War, 1865, and roughly until 1890. This era became legendary thanks to novels, films, and stories about cowboys, gunfights, and adventures. However, the reality of the Wild West was much more complex and interesting than what Hollywood movies portray. First of all, the Wild West was a time of settling vast territories in the western part of the country. In 1862, Congress passed the Homestead Act, granting 160 acres of land to any citizen who agreed to cultivate it. This attracted thousands of settlers who traveled to new lands in covered wagons, overcoming various challenges along the way, from attacks by Native American tribes to harsh natural conditions. One of the most famous phenomena of that time was the gold rush. In 1848, gold deposits were discovered in California, which triggered a massive influx of prospectors from all over the world. Towns sprang up almost overnight, but they also brought problems such as banditry, corruption, and conflicts between people. The confrontation between settlers and Native Americans became one of the most tragic pages of the era. Interestingly, despite the popular stereotype, it was white bounty hunters who first began scalping Native Americans, not the other way around.